Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, and this is my analysis for gold. And we're going to start off on the 1 hour time frame. So, gold just kept on pushing up yesterday. Yesterday, I was saying that this could be an ABC correction, and if it made an engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level, then I was definitely going to take it as a short. Never made an engulfing move down, never made a short. So hopefully nobody tried to go short in that because there was definitely no shorting opportunity. Going up to the daily time frame, this is actually playing out exactly like I've been talking about for several weeks now. Three waves down for W, three waves up for X. One, two, three, four, five of A. We are likely now in an A, B, C of B, which will probably go to like the 78 or the 61% of A. Then we'll probably make another five waves down for the C, A, B, C of wave Y. I think this is a 333 WXY of wave 4 on the daily and the weekly time frame. So more than likely we are in a wave B right now. So keep an eye on this 88%. For some reason gold does like this level, so if it does turn down hard, you can try to sort it. But more than likely this is now going to go up to that higher fib level I showed on the daily to make a three-wave pullback for a wave B. We're potentially only in a wave A of wave B right now. So if we zoom out quite a bit, I could kind of show you, just a general shape that I would kind of put, kind of think that this would likely do, potentially like a wave A, pull back for wave B, and then probably up again for wave C, probably up into this area someplace, and then down again. For that's your A of Y. This is your ABC, which is a B of Y, and eventually back down for the wave C of wave Y. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.